Hey guys, it's Hacky Kid here, and today we're going to be making slime from basic materials that you might already have at your home. First, pour 1 cup of water, and then carefully add a half a teaspoon of borax. If you want, you can add food coloring to make color to your slime. And since we're using non-toxic glue, this slime is non-toxic. All you need to do after that is just keep on stirring. After you're done mixing your food coloring solution, carefully add a half a cup of water and just dump your whole 5-ounce glue container into the bowl and just mix until it's mixed together. Now here's where the magic happens. When you add your borax and your glue solution, it starts forming right before your eyes. As you can see, it's starting to become jello or slime already, which is really cool. And just so you know, this stuff can get everywhere. So yeah, but this is what it looks like, and you can play with it, flip it around. But you can't hold it in your hand too long, or else it'll get on your hand and stick on your hand. But you can play around with it really, really good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did creating it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!